Welcome everyone to Microsoft Access Database tutorials with me Ahmed, and here is our inventory database. This time we'll add another option for our database, so let's start and see how it's gonna be. First of all, let's log in to our database. Now I need to add a new list for our database, which is gonna show the current amount available on each product. So for this one, I need to work on my queries here. So on the previous time, I have prepared another query, this one, which shows all products here on all orders, and the type of that order, which is purchase or sale. So here we were using this query for calculating the current value of that product and decide if the new sale order is accepted or refused. So if we have available items of that product, then the sale order would be applied, and if not, then the sale order would be refused without saving that record. So this time I would use something similar to that one, but this time I need to create a new list for all products. I'm not just gonna work on one product name on a specific order, but I will show all available values for each product. So I will apply a total query on this one. So let's close this query and create one more query here from query design. Here I will go to queries tab and select the last query here. Here I need the first column, which is order detail ID. In this one I need the product ID to show the product name, and I need the last value, which is the remain amount. Then I would apply totals for this one. For order detail ID, I will apply first type, and for product ID I would just leave it as it is, group by, and the remain amount, it would be sum, because we have positive and negative values, so we need to calculate the result of them. We need to collect them together. So here we have the last result for each product. Product 1 is a positive value, 21. Product 2 is 0, it means we ran out of that product. Product 3 is negative 10, which is not accepted. This means we have applied more of sale orders than the value that could be accepted. So this was just a mistake, because I have applied many sale orders before applying the sale order rule. So I will just go to my tables. Before this I need to save my current query here. Let's save this one. I would give it a new name, query A F6B, and it's gonna be product amount. Let's make it total. Okay, just like this. Here on our order details, the mistake was on product 3. So as you see here, product 3 has a sale order. Here's 10, and product 3 also 20. This one could be for sale order. So here I can apply the purchase order of that one as a larger amount. For example, I would make it 30. This time it would be 30 minus 20. It would be plus 10. Or I can make it different. For example, let's make it 40. So this time we could have more 20 items for product 3. So let's go back again to our last query. As you see here, the value has changed as 20 because it became 40 items minus 20 items, which became 20 plus 20. So this is going to be our new list here. So I would use this one on a new form as we have the other forms here. So I would select any of the forms here to use. For example, it could be sale order search. I could copy this form and it would be easier for me to apply it. So here's what we're gonna do. So I will copy this one. It's gonna be at the end of my form list. So I will change the code here. The last one was 5C. E F 6A. It's gonna be a sale order search. No, it's gonna be stock search. Stock search. Okay, now I will open it in design view, and first of all I will go to data tab and change the record source. The record source here is gonna be the last query we have created, which is this one, product amount total. So I will use this one. And after this, we will go for our fields here, one by one. Add existing fields. We have 3 fields here. So as you see here, their names are first of order, product ID, and sum of. Actually, I don't like this first of, sum of, so I prefer to change the names on the query before using them here. It would be better this way. So let's close our form, go back again to the query, and rename our columns, the first one and the third one, because the second one is still the same without any changing. Here, this one, I will make it build I will make it column sign here. Then I will make first order detail ID. Okay, and this one remain ID. Actually, I can keep the same name for my fields here, and this way I can just copy the name, add column sign, then paste the name again. This time the name before the column is gonna be the name for that field. Yeah, here I'll change this one more time. Okay, let's see it now. Now it has the same name, exactly the same name. Order detail ID and remain amount, just like this. So now we can move on to our for stop search. Here we will use these values. Product here I don't have any product ID. Remain amount I don't have this one, and product detail ID also I don't have this one. Here I will remove all old values except for one value. I will leave one field here to copy its formats. So I will select all new fields and grab them here, just like this. I don't need their labels, so I will delete these labels. Don't need them. Now I copy the format from the old field here. From format, I will double click on format painter. Double click, and then I will match all formats on one step. Okay, now I can make him just a little bit bigger, larger. Double click here, so they are large enough. I can make them the same height, so I can select all of them this way and right click size tallest, just like this. Now I got everything from this old ID field, so I can remove it now. I don't need it anymore. Order detail ID. This is order detail ID. Actually, I don't need to show this one. I need it, but I don't need it. I don't need to show it on my form. I can make it hidden, and it could be better. I just need to show the product name and the amount of that product. Let's add this order ID here. This one is gonna be visible? No. Just like this. Okay, now I need just two headers, two titles for these two fields here. So this one is gonna be product, and the second one is gonna be remain amount. Remain amount. We can make it a little bit larger as we have enough area here. I don't want anyone to change anything on these fields. It's gonna be for a read only, so I can select them this way and go to data, and from here I make it locked yes. Yeah. Also we have a title here. We can change this one. We can make it stock. Okay, this way. This looks fine. Also we have another rule here for highlighting the current record. So I need to check this one if it's still working or needs some edits here. So it's about order ID, but now I am using order detail ID. So I need to change order ID into order detail ID. Here I will select this one, then I will look for order detail ID. I will double click on this one, just like this. Now it has changed. Okay. Also I have to change it in one more place to make it work correctly. So I will go to VBA page. I will search for stock search, this one. Here I have another order ID name. I need to change this one into order detail ID. Order detail ID, just like this. So I will copy it from here. Copy, I will paste it here. Also down there, there is one more field I need to change. This one change it. Also, I need to change it down here. This is the main place I want to change for current. And the other one is highlighting. So here's the first field which is gonna show, it's gonna be product ID. So I will select this one, product ID, instead of this one. So it's gonna be product ID, just like this. And now it's gonna work correctly. So let's see it now. Let's view it on form view. As you see here, product 1 21, product 2 0, and product 3 is 20. So everything is correct right now. Just one more thing here, I need to update my search fields here. These fields belong to the previous form, so I need to update them. Just I need to search the product and the remain amount here. So it's gonna be product remain amount. Product and remain amount, and the default value can be the first one, which is product, just like this. I prefer to apply this one as no, allow value list edits. So this one here, why? Because when we open this list, under the list can show us an option for editing this list, but I don't want anyone to be able to change anything on this list. I'm gonna show it here to you. So if I choose this one and turn this one as yes, let's see what's gonna happen. So it's gonna be like this. I would have this little button here for editing the list items. So I don't want this to happen at all for any users. So for this reason, I will turn that option as no. Now we have changed our list here, so we need to apply some changes on our code to make it work correctly. Our code on this button here, so I will go for event on click. So the search record, which is this one. So here I am selecting values from the first combo box. For now I have two values. The first one is product ID, product, and second one is remain amount. The product ID is gonna work in a different way. Why? Because here I am showing names, but the product ID is just a number, an auto number, which is this one. So when I'm gonna search for the product, I'm gonna write down the name of that product, but the program is gonna look for the ID for each product which is written here. So I'm gonna search for the product ID, but the program would take that name and look for the product ID which is which matches that product name. So it's gonna turn the product ID, the product name into product ID. So for this reason, I would use the code here for searching two different fields. The first one, I am entering the name on my list, which is the one written here, which is product. So this one is gonna be product. Yeah. And I don't need this one at all. Yeah, when I select this one, I want my code to go for product table and look for the product ID. So here I have the product tables. I would copy the name of the table and apply it here on table name, this one. So in this table I'm looking for the product ID. So I will go here, select the product ID name, copy this one, and I will paste it just like here. I'm looking for the product ID on that table where my current value is the value written on that text box. The text box name is called search value, so this one is right, but the value on my table, the field on my table is not contact this time, but it's gonna be the product name, which is this one, just the product. So the criteria is gonna be product. So now I am looking for the product ID, and after getting all product IDs, I'm gonna apply them down here. Instead of contact ID, it's gonna be product ID. So everything is alright now. So our code is gonna work correctly this time. So this is our first selection, and the second one is which one is the remain amount, which is, let's see it here, remain amount. So for example, I will select this one, remain amount. If this one is selected this time, the code is gonna work for remain amount but without spaces between them. Then it would get this value as this variable main search field and apply it on the filter condition. So the filter condition is gonna be equal to this one, the main search field equal to the search value, which is my searching text box. So okay, I just need these two cases, first one and second one. So I will delete the other cases up there because I don't need them anymore. Select case 1 and case 2. So it's okay now. Now we can try to apply our form here. Let's close this one, try it again. Stock search. For example, this one is now it's looking for product name. If I select 2, for example, it's gonna look for the product 2 because this is the only product that has do with it. Yeah, just like this. And let's go back again. Now I also can look for the amount here. For example, I can look for 20. So this is the only record that has a remain amount as 20. So just like this. Okay, this is all. Also, I have another buttons here. I need to disable them because they belong to other form. So maybe I need them later as another option. So instead of removing them, I will just hide them from my form. So visible, I will make this one no. Just like this. So it's gonna be like this here. Yeah, just like this. Now the last thing here, I'm gonna add a new button on my main screen on the navigation form to open this stock form. So here on navigation form, we need to add one more button here. As you see here, the width of these buttons looks very wide. We can decrease it a little bit just from any side, doesn't matter. So we can get more area here for other buttons. Okay, let's copy this one. For example, all these buttons here for editing data, but the next one is gonna be for just showing and reading data. So I need to separate them. It's gonna be better. So I will change the place for my new form. It could be on another side, or I can make these buttons higher and add another button for the stock form down somewhere. For example, so let's take all these buttons here up there on the right side. And then the new button is gonna be down down somewhere here. Later I will get more options here, so they will be together side by side. So the first one is gonna be stock. That's the name for caption. We also have another name for the button, which is on other tab, the name. So this one's gonna be button stock search. Okay, I will select this one event on click. I will open the other form, which is stock search. I will copy the name from here, from rename, then go back again to the code, do command open for space double quotes, and then pasting the name, then closing, so double quotes again. I'll change the place to the side, just like this. Now let's try it. And let's open the navigation form again. So when we click on the stock, it's gonna show the stock form like this. We can search again for any values we need. 20. Also can look for the zero values. It's showing both 0 and 20 because both of them have the zero number here, and it's looking for all possible values. Okay, now I can turn off the filter from this button to show again the all values and all records here. Okay guys, all for now. I hope you all understand what I have explained to you this time, and if you feel confused about anything till now, please feel free to contact me. I will try my best to help you. So see you next time.